Good morning, boys and girls. We're coming back to you today with our clothesline clues to the jobs people do this morning. And we are going to reread the story before we sequence the story of what happens at the beginning, the middle, and the end. Let's get started. Clothesline clues to jobs people do. Illustrated by Andy Robert Davies. Look at the clothesline and see every clue. Who uses these things for the jobs that they do? Clue and do. They rhyme. Uniform and cap, an invite for you. Big bag of letters. What the job does she do? She's the mail carrier. Milk pail and straw hat. Overalls in blue. Plaid shirt bandana. What job does he do? He is a farmer. Oven mitts, apron, recipe for stew, puffy hat and whisk. What job does he do? He is a chef. Smock, beret, and brushes, paints of every hue, canvas and easel. What job does he do? He is an artist. Coveralls, tool belt, work gloves, and glue. Safety glasses, saw. What job does she do? She is a carpenter. Heavy pants, helmet, wide suspenders too. Rescue coat, long hose. What job does she do? She is a firefighter. Spacesuit and jetpack, star charts to review. Flight gloves and moon boots. What job does she do? She is an astronaut. These clothes are clues to jobs people do. Is one of these jobs just right for you? That's the end of our story. So, in our story, Clothesline Clues for Jobs People Do, we found out things that happened at the beginning. Let's think about what happened at the beginning. We met all of our friends. What happened in the middle? What happened at the end? Well, the first thing we did is we met all of our community helpers. Those were all the people we met. But where were all those community helpers going? I'm going to leave you to find out what happened in the middle and what happened at the end. Have a great day. We'll see you later.